Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? Are you okay? Are you happy? How did you sleep? I slept well. Good. This is Teacher Kings. Welcome to our lesson for today. Today, we are going to talk about clothes and colors. Okay? Last time we talked about clothes. Okay? So, look at this flashcard. What's this? It's a pair of trousers. This is a pair of trousers. What color is the pair of trousers? It's a green pair of trousers. Good. Next. What's this? This is a pair of shorts. What color is the pair of shorts? It's an orange pair of shorts. Good. What's this? It's a jacket. It's a jacket. What color is the jacket? It's a yellow jacket. Good. Okay. What's this? It's a pair of shoes. What color is the pair of shoes? It's a red pair of shoes. Do you understand? Good. Okay, so let's come now to our lesson for today. Today, we are going to talk about clothes and colors. Okay? Now, we have a conversation between A and B. Conversation between A and B. Two people, A and B. So we have four conversations. 1, 2, 3, and 4 different conversations. Okay? So, number 1, conversation between A and B. Okay? So, A, what's this? What's this? B, it's a cup. It's a cup. A cup. Good. What color is the cup? What color is the cup? It's a red cap. It's a red cap. Good. Okay. Number 2. What's this? What's this? Okay. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Okay? Now, what color is the t-shirt? What color is the t-shirt? It's a blue t-shirt. It's a blue t-shirt. Good. Okay. Now, a summary of 1 and 2. A summary here. Okay. So, a red cap and a blue t-shirt. A red cap and a blue t-shirt. Do you understand? A red cap and a blue t-shirt. Good. Okay, let's move on to conversation 4. Now, we are going to write, okay? So, look at this picture. Can you see this picture? Okay, question. What's he wearing? What's he wearing? What's he wearing? He, because it's a boy, okay? Or it's a man. So you use the pronoun he, okay? So what's he wearing? What's he wearing? Can you tell me? Okay. He is wearing a dash. What's he wearing? This is a shirt, okay? So you write, he is wearing a shirt. Thank you. A shirt. You write shirt. Good. Okay. A question. What color is the what? What color is the shirt? Okay, so what color is the shirt? So what color is the shirt? Okay, what color is the shirt? Okay, he is wearing a shirt. Thank you. What color is the shirt? So what color is this shirt? What is the color? So answer, it's a dash dash. What color is this? Purple. So it's a purple shirt. Okay, it's a purple shirt. Purple. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. It's a purple shirt. Okay. Purple shirt. Good. Do you understand? Okay. Let's go on to conversation 4. Okay. So, students, you look at this picture. Can you see this picture? This is a lady, okay? You know, this is a man. This is a lady. So, what are we going to ask? Was she wearing? She, because she is a lady. Do you understand? Here we use he because he is a man. Here is she because is a lady. Okay? So what's she wearing? What's she wearing? Do you understand? Okay. She is wearing a hat. Okay? Hat. So you write hat. And a dress. Good. And a dress. Okay? Now, what color is the dress? What color is the dress? Or what color is the hat? So you choose one, okay? You ask the color of the hat or the color of the dress. So it's up to you. But now I will choose what color is the dress? Okay, so what color is the dress? I'll use dress. Okay, what color is the dress? Okay, what color is the dress? So, what color is the dress? It's a yellow dress. Okay, it's a yellow. Yellow. Can you spell yellow? You spell with me, okay? Yellow. Y, okay? Y E L L O W. Yellow. It's a yellow dress. Good. Okay? So now, students, I want you to answer at home. Okay? Now, she is wearing a hat and a dress. A hat and a dress. Now, what color is the dress? It's a yellow dress. Now, what color is the hat? You say it's a yellow hat. Do you understand? Okay, thank you. Let's rehearse the lesson one more time. Okay, we're talking about clothes and colors. We have many colors: blue, yellow, purple, brown, green, white, black, many colors. Okay, so conversation one. Now I want you to repeat after me. Okay, you repeat after the teacher. Do you understand? Okay, what's this? It's a cap. What color is the cap? It's a red cap. Good. You practice with your friend, okay? Conversation 2. Repeat after me, okay? What's this? It's a t-shirt. T-shirt. What color is the t-shirt? What color? It's a blue t-shirt. Good. Okay. Now, a red cap and a blue t-shirt. A red cap and a blue t-shirt. Very good. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to conversation 3. What's he wearing? Repeat after me, okay? What's he wearing? He is wearing a shirt. Good. What color is the shirt? Thank you. What color is this? It's a purple shirt. Good. Look at conversation 4. Look at this picture. What's she wearing? What's she wearing? What's she wearing? Okay. B. She is wearing a hat. A hat and a dress. She is wearing a hat and a dress. Okay? Good. What color is the dress? Look at the picture again. What color is the dress? Okay? It's a yellow dress. It's a yellow dress. Do you understand? Good. Okay, now look at the hat. What color is the hat? It's a yellow hat. Do you understand? Thank you very much. Okay, students, don't forget to practice at home. You practice with your friend, okay? You swap roles. Your friend is A and you are B. You read the conversation. Then you swap the role. You become B and your friend becomes A. Do you understand? Thank you. Goodbye. Stay safe. Teacher Kings.